Welcome to MLAC online tutorial, and we are told to solve for with the value of x if x plus 2 roots of 40 raised to the power of x plus 1 all divided by 2 raised to the power of 3x plus 2 plus 8 raised to the power of x into 36 equals 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of negative 1. Alright, first of all, what we just need to do here is to apply the law of indices step by step. Now let us recall that a raised to the power of m plus n is the same thing as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. Okay, alright, now let us apply this law to the value, or the expression rather, in the radical. Okay, for 40 here, let's say x plus 2 root of, here we have 40 raised to the power of x times 40 raised to the power of 1, then all over. Applying the same rule from this, here you have 2 raised to the power of 3x times 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus 8 raised to the power of x into 36, then all equals to 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of negative 1. Okay, now let us simplify further. X plus 2 root, here you have 40 raised to the power of x times 40 raised to the power of 1, then all over. Now to this end here, take note that if you have a raised to the power of let me say m into n, the same thing as saying a raised to the power of m n, which means you can multiply, right? So now looking at this, this is 2 raised to the power of what? 3x, which applies to this rule and can also be reversed to this. And if we have 2 raised to the power of 3x reversed to this manner, here you have 2 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of what? X, which can also give us 8 raised to the power of x, because 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8. So here we have 8 raised to the power of x times 4, because 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, now plus 8 raised to the power of x into 36, then all equals to 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, now you can see from the numerator here that 8 raised to the power of x is a common factor between this expression and this expression. So here we have x plus 2 root of 40 raised to the power of x times 40, then all over 8 raised to the power of x. Bringing it out, for factoring it out, here you have 4 plus 36, now equals 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of negative 1. Now 4 plus 36 will give us 40. So, and moving further, here you have x plus 2, now the root of 40x times 40 all over 8 raised to the power of x times 40, because 4 plus 36 will give us 40, then equals 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of minus 1. Then we can now eliminate. Now the whole of this expression, now let us also take note that if we have a raised to the power of x all over b raised to the power of x, as long as they have the same power, we can follow it by the rule a all over b all raised to the power of what? X. Now to this we can apply this rule to this, and here we come over here. Okay, let me just solve the left hand side. Here you have x plus 2 root of 40 all over 8 all raised to the power of x. Okay, and 40 divided by 8 will give us 5. So here you have x plus 2 root of 5 raised to the power of x, then equals 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of -1. And let us take note that if you have x root of a, is the same thing as saying a raised to the power of 1 over x. And if this is true, then we can apply this same rule here and say this is 5 raised to the power of x, or raised to the power of 1 over x plus 2. Now which will give us 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power minus 1. Okay, and applying this rule also, we can multiply. So it implies that x will multiply 1 over x plus 2. So here you have 5 raised to the power of x all over x plus 2, then equals 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power minus 1. Now since we arrive at the same base, we can now eliminate. Alright, so the power now tends to what? Equate, so you have x all over x plus 2, then equals, now x raised to the power of minus 1 is the same thing as saying 1 over x. So we come here, you have 1 over x. Now when we cross multiply this and this go over here, you have x squared, then equals 1 times x plus 2 give us x plus 2. Now bringing it here, so here we have x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. Now for us to factorize here, so this will give us x, okay, this will be minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, when we factorize x squared minus x plus 2 to give us x minus 2 into x plus 1. So here we have x minus 2 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0. So x here will give us 2, or x here will give us -1. Now, but since we are dealing with radicals, if you plug in 1 here, minus 1 here, so here you have 2, okay, but if you have minus 1 here, here you have -1, so it will be 0, and here -1, this will be -1, here -1. Alright, so at this point the value of x equals to 2 or -1. Alright, but this won't go, but x will now be equals to 2. Final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.